We place candles in a pentagram shape, and then those guys come back running and injure. Next morning, I packed my stuff and left. Hi. So this happened when I was in sixth grade, and I was staying in a hostel with four other guys. The hostel was a part of a coaching center, and it was new and not that big. And also, it was surrounded by bamboo forest. Now, there's this a folklore where कि bamboo forest वगैरह में भटकती आत्माएं ट्रैप रहती हैं and बच्चों को ऐसी जगहों में जाना नहीं चाहिए. I don't know how much that is true until that evening. That was a cloudy day, I guess. Yeah. And we were bored, like really bored. So we decided, let's try calling Ghost. भूत बुलाते हैं चलो. First we thought, let's try calling Bloody Mary. We lit up the candles, turned off the lights, and went straight to the washroom and started chanting the mantras. Nothing happened. कुछ नहीं हुआ. I swear, it was very lame. Now we switched to Charlie Charlie. So we set up the pencils and like squares में yes no. Then pencil slowly moves from yes to no, no to yes. It answers our question. We also kept questioning. Eventually, we got a little bored, and so we thought, let's take this one step further. We brought out an Ouija board. I don't know, पता नहीं कहीं से तो कोई तो ले आया था. Now, to make it more interesting, we place candles in a pentagram shape and we set in the circle. And we started asking question, and pointer also moved. And that time I was like thinking, this is a bullshit. It's my senior who is messing with us. This is all fake. I don't believe this. But it started to get little creepy and personal at the same time. Suddenly, that senior said, Bhai mo kichi sun li. We laughed out nervously, like. But then my friend also said, Bhai movie sun li kichi. I jumped and ran to open the door, but it didn't open. At that point, I was like, no, wait, no. All of us pushed together and it opened. Like, I don't know, out of nowhere, it just opened easily. We went back inside to burn the board, pencil, paper, everything and end it, but nothing was there. Because that idiot said, भाई मुन्ना बोर्ड डोरी दी थी तो मुंह से का बाहर फेंकी दिल्ली. Basically, he said that he panicked and threw everything outside the window. Now, here's the problem. There's a nala right below the building. So, most probably, you can imagine they all are swept away and there is nothing we can do. Two guys who heard the whisper grabbed a cycle and went towards the nearby temple because they got really scared they got cursed or something like that. 10 minutes later, those guys come back running and injure.
वो जो तूफान आ रही तभी उस वक्त हमारी जो साइकिल की चेन थी वो उतर गई एंड गाड़ी उस तरफ से आ रहे थे, हम रास्ता क्रॉस कर रहे थे, गाड़ी भी तेज आ रही थी. उस वक्त हमने जोर से ब्रेक मारा लेकिन हम बैलेंस नहीं कर पाए और हम नीचे गिर गए थे.
After a few hours, the founder came. His eyes were bloodshot red. We explained it to him what we did and why we did. Now see, that place has a very negative vibe. We tried to ask Ghosh what's going on there, and we got some answers which are very creepy as they are related to the founder himself. So the founder is a very weird guy as he comes to our room to sleep at around 2 to 3 a.m. and वो ना रात को से झगड़ता रहता था पता नहीं किसी से एज इफ ही वाज कमांडिंग और चैलेंजिंग समवन. एट फर्स्ट हमें लग रहा था कि लाइक मे बी वो कॉल पे है बट ही वाज नॉट. Something going on in that place, I don't know what, but that was the longest night of my life. Next morning, I packed my stuff and left.